Hi folks, greetings from rural New South Wales in Australia. In this video, I'm about as far from Manhattan as you can get, but I've got three little things I wanted to announce. First of all, the Build Expo I'll be coming to in New York. Steph and I are running a photo walk, and a little personal update I'll give you guys at the end. So first of all, on the 6th and 7th of September, B&H Photo are celebrating 50 years in the business and having the Build Expo. Build is the Yiddish word for image. I have to say, I'm so grateful to B&H Photo. If you enjoy my reviews, you should be too. Having moved from New York to Hong Kong, they still send me out all kinds of equipment so that I can test and review it. And, you know, if I want to do, say, a lens comparison of 5 different brands, it's so hard to get all the brands to agree and to the same dates, whereas B&H can just send them all to me to test out. So they've been really helpful and supportive of my business, and I want to return the favor. So I'm actually going over to attend the expo, and it looks really great. As I said, it's on the 6th and 7th of September. It's completely free, and they have a bunch of great speakers. The ones I'm personally looking forward to seeing are Casey Neistat, Jerry Gionis, Mark Seliger, Miss Hatton, and Ira Bock is doing a photo walk. They have 4 different stages, and their talks are split into the inspiration, business, and education categories. You can register for free and come along. It's also a photo expo, and I'm expecting there's going to be some new gear announced for the trade show side of things. I'll see you there. If you do see me, please come on up and say hi. It's been too long to have a face-to-face event in New York. It's now raining. Hopefully have better weather than this there. Then on the night prior to that, which is Tuesday the 5th, Steph and I are going to be hosting a photo walk, open to everyone, free, no need to register. We'll be meeting at 5 p.m. at Washington Square Park. I'll have a link below where we have the full map of the route so that if you arrive late or get lost, you can see which way we're going to walk so that you can join up with us as well. So 5th from 5 to 7th is the photo walk. 6th and 7th of September is the Build Expo itself. Hope I'll see lots of you there. Now, the personal update, I'm currently back in Australia. Those of you who've been following would know my dad had a health issue at the start of the year, and after 6 months of hospitals and rehabs and all kinds of stuff, he finally got back home just a week ago, and I'm home to help with that transition. So thank you I've had countless messages from people giving their condolences and support and letting me know that they've been through something similar, and I really do appreciate it. I've replied to you all personally, but again, big thanks. So it's a great week for our family. This is my little break from being around the house to help out, to sit in the rain on a rock and talk to you all. So from this rock to 30 Rock, segue, huh? I hope I'll see all of you there in New York. The Build Expo should be great, and Steph and I can't wait to see you all. See you soon.